Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the grammar part. In grammar, we will be seeing nouns and pronouns. Okay, children, what is a noun? A noun is a word that indicates the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, person, Ramu. When you see the word Ramu, what is Ramu? Ramu is a noun. Place, Ooty, let's say Ooty. So Ooty, that is a noun. Animal, let's say cat. So when you see the word cat, that is a noun. Or thing, pen is a thing. So this is a noun. Did you all understand, children? A noun is a word that indicates the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Let's see the example. Girl. What is girl? Girl is a noun. What is boy? Boy is a noun. What is cat? It is a noun. Mango, pen. These are examples of noun. These words are called nouns. These all are nouns. Did you all understand, children? Now let's see what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Instead of using noun everywhere, we use another word called pronoun. I will explain it with an example. Let's see an example, children. Ria is a girl. Ria is very smart. These are two sentences. What is Ria, children? It is indicating a person. So when it indicates a person, that is called noun. So second, Ria is very smart. Again, instead of using Ria everywhere, instead of using the same name, we will use she. So the she becomes a pronoun. Did you all understand, children? We can't keep using Ria is a girl. Ria is very smart. Ria goes to school. Like that, we can't be using the noun again and again. So instead of a noun, we will use a pronoun. Instead of using Ria everywhere, we will use she. So this she is called a pronoun. Is that clear, children? Now let's see the example of pronouns. I, he, she, it, we, you. These are called pronouns. These words we will use instead of a noun. These are called pronouns. Now let's see an exercise. Underline the nouns and circle the pronouns. She is a girl. What is she, children? She is a pronoun. What is girl? Girl is a noun. He lives in Ooty. Ooty is name of a place. So when name of a place come, what is it called? It is called noun. So Ooty is a noun. He is a pronoun. I have a pen. What is pen, children? It is name of a thing. So when name of a thing comes, it is a noun. What is I? I is a pronoun. We like mangoes. What is mangoes? Mangoes is a noun. We is a pronoun. You must write with a pencil. What is pencil? Pencil is a thing. So that is noun. What is you? You is a pronoun. She has a cat. Cat is name of an animal. When name of an animal comes, what it is called? It is called a noun. So cat is a noun. She is a pronoun. It is a dog. What is dog, children? Name of an animal. So this is noun. It is a pronoun. He is Ramu. Ramu is name of a person. So when name of a person comes, it is called noun. So Ramu is a noun. He is a pronoun. Is that clear, children? Instead of telling Ramu is a boy, Ramu is very smart. Ramu is a good boy. What is Ramu here, children? Ramu is name of a person. So that is noun. Instead of using Ramu is a boy, Ramu is very smart, Ramu is a good boy. Instead of using Ramu, once you will use the noun, and from next time you will use the pronoun. What is pronoun? He. So you can use he. He is very smart. He is good boy. So instead of writing Ramu, you are using he. What is he here? He is a pronoun. Now is that clear, children? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Instead of using Ramu, the noun, you are using he, pronoun. Is that clear, children? Today we have learnt what are nouns and pronouns.